Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to colorize any media file in Camtasia 2021. So for this you need to take a look around the left side of your Camtasia. These are all the features of Camtasia, right? Now you can see visual effects. You need to click on that visual effects. Now you can see my mouse cursor on there are lots of visual effects available, so I'm gonna select the colorize, right? So simply I'm selecting and putting it in my media file. So you can see that this media is colorized, so to green. So we can just control with the if you take a look in the right side, you can see the colorize option. So if you select the color, you will be able to change the color of it. So let's suppose, for sake of example, I want to colorize it. It's orange, right? Now you can decrease the amount if you want. So I'm just decreasing the amount a little bit. Okay. So yep. And if I turn this off, now it just look like that. Now if I turn this on, the colorize effect, it will look like this. So in this way you'll be able to colorize your media file in Camtasia 2021.